Hey, so today we're doing pop smoke layered braids, which is 3 rows of the stitch braids. And as you can see right now, I'm parting it out. I just blow dry her hair. I said blow out her hair and sectioning it off. What I do is I make the stitch effect first, then I go back and braid it because I'm not sure how to use the pinky braid grab as you go. Yeah, that don't work for me, so I use that method that I just shown. Fit it in, braid it down. We got it to like waist, I believe, like waist mid, but somewhere around that area. Lift the cord in. So I did 3 on the bottom. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5. I think 5 on the second row. Let me see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 on the second row and 6 on the top row. And they fall like pop smoke braids, but it's just layered and more braids. This process is not really much explaining. It's very simple, but it's a cute style. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bell, and also I hope you enjoyed the video, and catch you on the next. Bye.